When homeowners Cole and Morgan decided it was time to select countertops for their kitchen and master bath, they knew exactly where to go. Living in Texas Hill Country just outside Austin, these homeowners were just a short drive to a unique, product-rich showroom where they could choose from the finest in natural stone, quartz, and tile. A chance to look and see, feel and touch, to find the perfect material, and most importantly, to get answers for any project-related questions. All available at Architectural Surfaces Austin area showrooms and their 21 locations nationwide.
Hi, welcome to
Hi.
Architectural Surfaces.
I'm Morgan.
Morgan, I'm Jason.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing, man? I'm Cole.
Cole, Jason, nice
Hey,
to meet you.
nice to meet you,
What
bud.
brings you in today?
We're building a new house, and we'd like to pick out some countertops. So take a look at some. We're trying to figure out what we're going to do in different rooms.
These savvy homeowners knew one of the smartest home investments they could make was in their kitchen and master bath.
This is a large facility. We actually have 21 facilities around the country, kind of coast to coast, that all have very deep breadth of inventory of both natural stone, quartz, and tile. I think that's a wonderful choice. Cole and Morgan came to Architectural Surfaces where they were focused on master bathroom and kitchen selections. Next selection that I thought would work well for your master bathroom to help pull out some of those gray tones in the floors and that white
In the
tile that you have.
bathtub, yes.
Ooh, that would be
Gosh,
great in that master.
that is beautiful.
So this is also another marble natural stone. This is actually from Brazil.
Choosing top quality materials and making choices that not only fit individual taste and lifestyle, but ones that fit a budget is paramount to this husband and wife's get it done right the first time attitude.
Babe, this would look great in the powder bath and maybe even the guest small upstairs bath too. I
Yeah.
love this, yes.
Yeah. No, I really like that one a lot.
Me too.
That's great.
As an independent fabricator and installation expert, Azaz Tour knows the benefits of working with a large company like Architectural Surfaces.
Architectural Surfaces not only has a great facility, but they always have a huge stock of granite, quartz, marble, quartzite, and it's kind of a one-stop shop, you know, where the reason that I recommended Cole and Morgan to go out there is because they have a giant selection of quality stone. Not only do they have quality stone, but they also have a lot of designer colors to where you can get some of the best looking, trending items on the market.
So, how did it all turn out? Well, Cole, Morgan, and Azaz put it this way.
Man, Architectural Surfaces really just nailed it.
I know, it looks so good in
super
space.
impressed with this quartz project, this Lutte Lumen.
I completely agree with you guys. You know, Architectural Surfaces, you know, best-in-class products, best-in-class delivery, which means I get it faster, you get it faster. You guys have a beautiful home here. Product selection was amazing. The Lutte Lumen, I mean, I think everything just came out. You couldn't do it any better. You guys want to check out the master?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
do it.
All right. Man, this bathroom looks awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, we love how it turned out.
You got some beautiful shadow storm from Architectural Surfaces. You know, there's a fabricator installer. It's one of the things I really like is for clients like you guys, we can always find, you know, designer type stone there. And with it being Brazilian marble, you guys aren't gonna have to worry as much as you would with the Italian marble. So it's a little more durable, you know, with your makeup products. And I think you guys are gonna be happy with the way that it lives in the house.
Oh, I think so. I love the color. I think it really ties this room together
Yeah,
with
this
the
tub's
gray
awesome.
tub.
Making customers happy, from fabricators to homeowners like Cole and Morgan. That's what Architectural Surfaces promises. Local soul from coast to coast. The purchasing power of a national company, optimized delivery networks across the country, and a whole lot more. To discover the more for yourself and where to find a showroom in your area, go to arcsurfaces.com. And to view this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv.